Want to access transfer protection menu on Opay app but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I'm going to show you how. And let's get started. First, you open up the app and then you tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner over here. Then you scroll down to Security Center, tap on it. And then we have the option of transfer protection over here. Now this option is only available for the updated version of Opay. So if you do not see this option, make sure you update your Opay. And if you're not sure how, you can refer to our video on how to update Opay and then follow the steps. So back to what we're doing. So you click on the transfer protection icon over here, and then you have access to transfer protection menu where you can activate your night guard and also activate the last transaction shield option. That's all it takes to have access to your transfer protection menu on Opay. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.